That's ISO.
Rack it up, I gotta build up the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, shake it up.
Hi everyone, and welcome to our video on why SmartFit Credit Repair is the best choice for credit repair services. At SmartFit Credit Repair, we understand how important good credit is, and we know that repairing your credit can be a daunting task. That's why we're here to help. Our team of credit repair experts at SmartFit Credit Repair is highly qualified and experienced. We understand the ins and outs of the credit repair process, and we know how to navigate the complexities of the credit reporting system. When you work with us, you can trust that you're working with knowledgeable and trustworthy professionals who are committed to helping you achieve your financial goals. At SmartFit Credit Repair, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. We understand that everyone's situation is unique, and that's why we offer customized credit repair solutions tailored to your individual needs. Whether you're dealing with errors on your credit report, struggling with high debt levels, or trying to rebuild your credit after a bankruptcy, we can help. We believe in transparency and ethical practices in all our dealings with clients. We'll work with you every step of the way, keeping you informed about the credit repair process and ensuring that you understand your rights and options. We're committed to operating with integrity and honesty, and we'll never make promises we can't keep. We believe in transparency and ethical practices in all our dealings with clients. We'll work with you every step of the way, keeping you informed about the credit repair process and ensuring that you understand your rights and options. We're committed to operating with integrity and honesty, and we'll never make promises we can't keep. So there you have it, why SmartFit Credit Repair is the best choice for credit repair services. We have an experienced and professional team, offer customized solutions, operate with transparency and ethics, and have a track record of proven results. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about how we can help you achieve your credit and financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.